Okay, hello everyone. I would like to show you how to use this hotel booking management template. So this is a spreadsheet, and you can have this one if with only one criteria, which is to have a Google Gmail account. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to use this. All right. Okay. So we have multiple tabs here. Don't be scared. These are very pretty simple to use it. So in the first tab called Read Me tab, you have sort of like guidelines how to use this tab and what each tab contains, and the step-by-step guidelines and everything. So you can use this template with two purpose. Either let's say you have a customer who booked your hotel room through online booking, which is through any app or something, or you can also use when a customer walk in to book your hotel room. So there's a two way you can use it. Let me tell you quickly how to use this template, and also explain how what each tabs means. So the first tab here is read me. After the read me tab, there's a tab called hotel information. So this is like a hotel information which contains all the inventory details for each room. So let's say there is a room numbers, the room types, and then the room's availability. So let's say if you want to change, like let's say this room is not available, you can change it, and then it will show you 34. Only 34 rooms are available. So yeah, one more thing is you can add up to 35 rooms here. Okay, let's say you want to change the room numbers, you can change it here. G10 or something 104, anything you can change it here, no issues. So remember, if you want to change the room numbers, only change in this hotel information tab, because in later part we will be only using the room numbers and room types from this tab. Okay, you can change the standard, deluxe, or anything. If you want to add another option, then you can click edit button, and then you will have this drop down criteria, add another item. You can put third level, done, and then it just apply to all. So you will have this. So you can select, like let's say this one is third level, then you can select third level. Yeah, so this is how you have to use it. And you have a lot of criteria here, like categories, pet types, beddings and towels, furnitures, and so on. So this is pretty straightforward. And the next step is daily reminder. So remember, do not edit any room numbers here, because the room numbers were taken from the hotel information tab. And you can edit the room rates. Please change the room rates, because later it will impact the invoice creation or amount, totaling the amount. If you don't change it, and if you want to change it later, it will impact. So if you want to change any room number, rates, or anything, just change it here. Okay, and then here you can add your hotel name. So as it says, automated, do not edit anything here. So this all like got formula. It has formulas where it shows like which room numbers have been booked for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And then you can select a date to view the room numbers and rooms that have been cleaned. Let's say today G100 or something, anything was cleaned, the room numbers will pop up here. And also you can select a date to view the rooms that have been cleaned. Okay, let's say this box. Okay, let's say if there is a room that is not available. Let's say G10 is not available. It shows 34, right? So in this tab, it will show G100 is under maintenance, which needs your attention. So this is what the purpose of this box here. And then here, you can edit the GST and SST price. Please edit in this tab. Please only edit the room rates and the GST SST price. Let's see if the GST price changes to 3%. You can put 3. SST is 2.5 percentage, then you can put 2.5. And then in the customer booking information tab, okay, this is the part where you book, you store all the information about your guests, bookings, and everything. So in this template, mostly I have used Google App Script, which has codings. So everything is just like click button, click, 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 and so on. So let's say, let me show you the, as I mentioned earlier, there's like two way to store the information about the customers, which is through if the customer is booked, if the customer booked your room through online booking, uh, like they booked via Agoda, Trip.com, or any other apps, then you will get a notification into your mail, or through app, that this customer has booked your rooms and so on, the booking ID and everything, right? So I'll show you if the customer booked through online booking. Okay, the first thing you have to do is click generate an invoice. Invoice is for your personal use, for your company use. So you have to click generate invoice. Once it finishes script, it will generate an invoice number. Booking ID, let's say the booking ID from your app, let's say it shows like TT 12345. Okay, just let simple. And then the guest name, let's say Reza. Okay, ID proof, let's say 123456087890. Contact information 010 123. Oh, sorry. Let's say something like this. And then check-in date. Let's say today they are checking in 2337. They want to check. They have booked the rooms for from 23 to 24 July. All right. So let me put this 24 July 2024. And then number of guests is let's say they book two guest rooms, book two rooms, Agoda, and then payment mode, online payment. You can also choose pay at hotel. Okay, and if you select this for online booking, you already will have an amount, right? So if you get this warning, please don't be scared. For online booking, you can choose either of the option. I use this because later for the walk-in information, you don't know what is the amount after GST total and SST total, right? So for walk-in, this will automatically calculate for you, and that is the reason I mentioned here: do not enter room details in check-in. Please enter room details in check-in table. Okay, if you select pay total. But now this is online booking, so you can choose anything. Okay, amount paid. Let's say I say so 350 ringgit. Payment details, maybe they booked an M Bank, and then 1235. Okay, special requirement, let's say no. Okay, if you have, then you can say extra one bed. Okay, and then the room numbers are not tallying because there is no numbers have been selected. You select one here, still the warning shows that room numbers are not tallying. You then select another one, or you can select two, then it's not. Yeah, so this number and this number should be matching. So let's say two room number, let's say I say I'm on deluxe. Okay, now what you have to do is you don't need to go back and see like which room has been booked. What you can do is just click the allocate rooms button, and it will fetch you the room that they have booked, that are empty, that is available for those dates 23 and 24. So let's say for deluxe, F100 and F101 is free for those 2 days. Then yeah, so once it's done, uh okay, then you can click save booking. I click save booking. Okay, let's say if you want to update, let me, okay, let's say if you want to update any information, let's say you saved it and then you mistakenly forgot that the name is not supposed to be like that, then again you have to search for the ID, booking ID, TT1212345. Let's see if you have this in email, you can again click search, running script. Like let's say the guest name should be Reza double A, and then you can click update booking details. Yeah, so it will update as Reza. Okay. Yeah. So this is first step of checking of customer booking through online, and then the next one is checking booking.